the use of gun in any crime is very common scenario. Actually, the use of guns in prominently and mostly seen in the heinous crimes like murder, dacoities, robberies, police encounters and firings. Therefore, the evidences from the guns are much more important in investigation and in courtroom trials. So on that note, today we are going to talk about what is firearms or guns, what is ammunitions or bullet, what is forensic ballistics and the role of ballistic expert. Hello guys, I am Tushar Rajaram Ahire. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar's Online Forensics. So without any delay, let's explore the forensics. What is firearm or gun? So the firearm or gun is a device which is designed to project or discharge a projectile or hurl the projectile by the force of expanded gases generated from the ignition of propellants. Now what does it mean? So the firearm is a device which throws the object called projectile, which may be bullet, pellet or shots by the great force generated after the chemical reaction after ignition of gunpowder, that is propellants, intended to kill or injure the person. Now there are two types of firearms. First one is smooth bore or 12 bore firearm and second one is rifled firearm, which will be explained in the upcoming videos. What is ammunition or bullet? So the assembly of case or shell, projectile, primer and main charge is known as the ammunition, which is intended to kill or injure the person. Now what is case or shell? Case or shell is the outer covering of a bullet or ammunition which holds all these components. What is projectile? Projectile is an object which penetrates in the body, which may be pellet, bullet or shots. Then what is primer? Primer is a high explosive which detonates the main charge. And what is main charge? Main charge is a gunpowder which generates the gases in large amount to push the projectile out. Again, there are two types of ammunition. First one is smooth bore ammunition or 12 bore ammunition or shotgun ammunition, and second one is rifled ammunition. Now, what is forensic ballistics? Before understanding the forensic ballistics, we need to understand what is ballistics. So, the ballistics is the study of action, motion and behavior of projectile. Now, what is forensic ballistics? So, the forensic ballistics means it is the study and investigation of evidences recovered from the firearm and ammunitions. There are three types of ballistics. First one is internal ballistics, second one is external ballistics and third one is terminal ballistics. So I will explain all these aspects in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned to the TOF. Now, the last point, the role of ballistic experts. The ballistic expert needs to answer this question in courtroom trial. So the first question is type of the firearm used and identification of firearm. So what was the type of firearm which was used? Was it handgun, shotgun, rifled firearm or etc. Next one, characteristics of firearm. So class characteristics and individual characteristics. Next, range and the direction of firing. Next, identification of shooter, and the last one, medico legal aspect. Means what? Was it suicide, homicide or accident? So this was all about the firearm, ammunitions, forensic ballistics and role of ballistic experts. Hope you liked the video. Now it's time to answer the question which was asked in last video. The question was, who is the father of fingerprint? So the answer is Sir Francis Galton. The question for this video is, which are the guns or firearms were used in the ancient times when the firearm is invented? I will be waiting for your answer, guys. Please comment your answers in comment section below and let me know. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Please like and share this video to your friends and family. Till then, stay safe, use mask and avoid going out until and unless it's necessary. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.